What is up, guys? Today, me, Colton, and my dad are doing a little challenge with flukes and swim jigs. The weather has changed a lot since the day I came out here. I caught 57. Hopefully we'll catch some fish today. All right, so what I'm fishing with is a black and blue Guggen Squad, 1/2 ounce swim jig. I don't know what kind of trailer that is. Colton, what are you fishing with?
Just a swim jig with a watermelon rig trailer.
Dad, what are you throwing? You throwing that fluke?
White Guggen swim jig. White saucy swimmer.
All right, we'll see who catches the first fish. Honey hole. I really hope that I actually catch some fish here today, because the other day I caught so many. I caught 57, and like I just threw my bait in the water, and oh, there goes one right there. All right, I think that's good. Okay. I just wanted to, like, right here was where they were the other day, and all along this bank line. I just need to know if they're. What's the weather tomorrow?
Some bad weather coming up tomorrow. Down to 45 degrees.
Of course. Yeah. No. Yeah, but the fish don't. Got one. I yanked him out of the water. Oh my god. I told you they were over here. First fish of the day on a green pumpkin fluke. Look how small this fish is. I think my fluke might be the same size as this fish. Why am I struggling to unhook them? Look. That's at least. How big do you think this fish is? 10 pounds? Look, Colton. What'd you do?
Backlash.
Big time?
Not really.
All right.
It only
First
takes
fish.
about 5 minutes to get out,
I have no idea where they are. I haven't fished in a good while. I don't know if y'all can see me or not, but swim using I don't really know what color it is, but it's a swim jig with a watermelon rig trailer. This weather's not it today. There we go.
All right, let me see it.
All right.
Second
got
fish
another
of the
one.
day on a fluke.
Dude,
I cannot believe I just missed.
because you got the color.
Oh my god. You have to. Oh, capture this. Capture this. This fish is warm.
Because the water's warm.
Let it sink. Just let it sink and sit. All right.
Second fish.
Second fish of the day. Green pumpkin. Oh, Dad calling me. I think we might have another update. Hold on, let me answer this real quick. Hello?
Got number 2.
Me too. I literally just hooked up. I
Yeah,
have one in my hand right now.
Got number 2 on the swim jig.
On the swim jig? Where are you fishing?
How's he catching stuff on the swim jig?
Dang. Well, I have number 2 in my hand right now. Hey. Let me get
Number 2 on the swim jig.
number 2 on fluke.
If you come down here.
Dude, this is freaking.
Well,
he's sitting
Colton
there
has
too.
0 fish. So on the score
Well,
tracker.
just come down here.
No, you don't. We're doing perfectly fine back here. I just caught my second fish.
Wow, you're gonna do that salt.
Colton you can do whatever you want, man. I don't care.
I don't care.
For a second.
Alright.
I picked my rod up and there's a fish on it. Or actually, I picked it up, messed it around, and I felt one. I'm like, dude, there's a fish. And you're like, no, dude, it's like, you're lying.
Can I have it?
You got one? Let him sit with it. I have one. I have a fish on.
I don't think he's on it no more.
Yep, Colton.
Set the hook?
Record me.
No, he's swimming with it. Got him. Good one.
Stay on it. Let him stay on it. Got him.
We doubled up. Double up. Let's go.
Let's go. That's 3 for me.
And that's 1 for me.
Oh man, this is amazing.
Let's double up, baby.
Ah. Open your mouth. Mine don't open.
Hold up,
his
I
mouth.
gotta do this with my right hand.
Look, mine's not opening his mouth.
Mine's just.
Who's bigger? Mine's bigger.
Yeah, yours is bigger. It's probably the biggest fish of the day. Number one, baby.
Oh, shoot, I'll let mine swallow it. I don't have pliers.
Ah, yeah, that's why I was letting him swim with it for a second. All right, buddy. Oh, the water's really warm. Ah, that's how we do it. All right, let me try to get back out there so I can catch up to y'all.
Dad's on his way back here right now, so.
We gotta try to tear up this pocket before he can get here.
Yeah. Do you think the swim jig will work over there? Oh,
You getting something?
one hit me on the way in. One hit me on the way in.
I'm
Why?
trying to get back by that tree where I caught that last. I saw your pole.
Swim jig's been doing it. I done learned how to fish it, son. And I like it.
Me and Colton doubled up same exact time.
You killed one.
Watch out for those rods.
You killed that fish.
What fish?
That one, right there. Oh, shoot.
That's because it
Oh.
swallowed it.
Hey, he has one.
Bro.
You filming?
Yeah.
Yep. That's number 3.
Oh, you have to touch it, by the way. Alright, it counts. It counts. Dad just caught fish number 3 for him. I have 3. Colton still only has 1, but I think he's about to come in clutch with this jig that he has on. Let me see it.
Look at that. That is
beautiful. Oh, man.
You said that one died.
It died. Well, it's at like 5% right now. I'm in the water.
One.
Got him.
No. I'm falling really behind.
Colton, what's happening?
I don't know. I don't want to talk about it.
Does it matter what kind of fish we catch?
We're doing just a bass.
Because if we are, there's a bass right there, and we can.
That doesn't count. You can't pick up that dead bass.
All right, I'm about to catch another fish in that spot I caught one.
Going this way, so I could.
I think there's something happened while they stopped biting.
You think so? The wind changed direction, so Dad thinks they stopped biting. Let's see. I got it. I'm gonna fish that.
Oh, there you go.
Where are they? No. Yes. This is what's gonna catch them. This is the fluke. It's gonna catch all my fish. I think I'm gonna catch a fish on one of these casts while holding the GoPro. This is about to be awesome. Oh shoot, I had one. Dang it, dude. Oh no.
He followed it.
Got him. Make him stay under.
I don't think I have him. He came off right there.
Oh my god.
Bro.
I watched your rod tip. You had one on. I think that was my fish.
He followed it all the way out. So that's what I should have. That's what I need to start doing. Oh my gosh.
Colton, you have 2, right?
Yep.
3. Dad, do you have 3? Alright, so 3, 3, 2.
How many do you have? 3.
Colton's catching up.
Bites on the swim jig.
I've gotten more bites on the fluke.
I've got more bite from the.
Well, I've missed less fish on the fluke. Huh?
You probably ain't never even fished before.
No, this is my first time. I've always used chatterbaits and yeah. All right, let me attempt to catch another one without missing it. Ooh, boom. Oh no. Yep, Ryan just got number 4. Hey. Yep, that's number 4. Hey Siri. Is it gonna rain today? What happened? This is where Ryan caught his first fish.
How this thing bounces through the water. You know what I
Oh, it's beautiful. It's probably what I'm about to do. Oh, I was just stuck on. That's why. Yeah. I don't know how.
Oh, it can record for 11 hours.
It shows like not a slip of battery.
Well, that's because it's running off the battery in the pocket.
Oh no, that's no good. I'm about to go fish this tree. Oh, I thought he had one. We got the fish right here. I'm gonna throw this fluke around a little bit. No, that was not. What? Ooh. What happened?
There's a live crappie right here.
Crappie?
Yeah, look, wait, don't touch
There's a camera on it.
it.
Oh, I see him. Yeah, he's right there.
The GoPro.
Something's wrong with his eye.
He's blind. Here, I'm gonna fight him.
Here.
Don't
I
let
missed
him
him.
get away.
No. I don't.
Oh, he's gone now. I can't believe I noticed that.
It's a beautiful crappie, not gonna lie.
That was a decent sized crappie.
I know. Got him. Number 3. It's number 3. Looky there. Oh yeah. It's number 3. Let's toss him out there so he don't get on the pollen. Now I'm about to fix my bait because it's really screwed up. Just try to get one behind this grass, under this limb. There's good enough. Got him. Number 4. Calm it down. Ah, it's a sharp hook. Oh my gosh. Really? If you don't chill out. Okay, I'm gonna throw you. Bro. It's number 4. Look at there. Ryan, you caught any more? Yeah, you're lying. I'm caught up with you. I got 4. Oh yeah. That's 5.
You need a new fluke?
No, I got one more in my pocket. That's number 5. Looky there.
Oh, let me see the camera.
Here. The fish just came off that. Oh my gosh. That's number 6. It's because he hit it when I wasn't ready. Oh, I got a lot of grass too. Look at that. Look, that's number 6.
6 to 4.
Oh. What number is this? I'm sorry, what number was this? I forgot.
They're over there.
When it beeps 7 times, it turns off.
All right, we're good.
I'm sorry, Fishy. Well, that's number 7. Hopefully I didn't just kill him. Oh, he's still going. He's good. It's probably gained 10 degrees. It's about time. Oh yeah.
Well, hey, that counts.
Mine was bigger. Huh?
I'm at 5. You're at 7.
I know. I'm at 7. Look at that fish, guys. Mine was bigger.
Well, Colton won the tournament.
With 7 fish.
I caught
5 and 3.
I caught 5. He
Wasn't my day.
obviously wasn't mine either. He was in last until the last 30 minutes and caught 5. We had a lot of bites today. We just, I think they were all little because
I just
all of
learned
the
how
fish
to
were
work the
little.
fluke.
Yeah, he's never fished a fluke before.
Fluke master.
Yeah, I guess that's his
All
name.
my fish on the fluke too. Every single
All of your
one.
fish on the fluke?
Every single one.
You didn't even catch one on the swim jig?
Not at all.
I caught 2 on a swim jig
I could have swore I caught.
and 1 on a fluke.
Well, that has it.
Has it? What does it have?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying
Cut
anymore.
that part.